In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up deposits in Acuity scheduling. This is a crucial step for anyone looking to streamline their appointment booking process while protecting their time and maximizing commitment from clients. Let's begin by opening your browser and navigating to the Acuity scheduling website. Once you're there, you'll want to log in. You can do this by entering your email and password, or if you're looking for a quicker option, you can simply continue with Google for a faster login experience. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the payment settings. Here, you'll find an option that says, use the same method for all appointment types. Selecting this option will simplify your payment management across different services, ensuring a more consistent and convenient approach for both you and your clients. The next step is to decide whether you want to collect deposits or request full payment. This choice allows you to offer flexibility to your clients by letting them secure their appointments with either full payment upfront or a partial deposit. It's a strategic move that can help balance commitment from the client end without posing too much financial pressure. Once you've made your decision, it's time to set up the specific payment type. Ensure that your chosen payment method supports partial payments if you're going the deposit route. You'll be prompted to enter the deposit percentage that clients need to pay up front. It's important to choose a percentage that encourages commitment, a figure that's substantial enough to secure their booking, yet reasonable enough to not scare them away. An essential part of this process is making sure your deposit policy is clear. It's crucial to detail this in your booking page or within confirmation messages. This transparency helps avoid any confusion or misunderstandings down the line, giving your clients a clear understanding of what's expected from them when they book an appointment with you. And just like that, you have now successfully set up deposits in Acuity scheduling. Implementing this feature is a great way to reduce no-shows and protect your valuable time by ensuring that your clients are committed to their appointments. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue to create valuable content. We hope to see you next time with another helpful guide.